Welcome all of you to this my video. In this video, I am going to discuss a very important topic, logarithm. It is not only useful in mathematics, but it is also widely used in science. As you observe here, logarithm, we know that logarithm is just related to exponent. Here, I just compare exponent and logarithm with some examples. Very first, 2 to the power 0 equals to 1. When we have to write this term in the form of log, what we write? Write log 1 base to the 2 equals to 3. Then you observe exponent is the log, value of log, base is the same. Here 2 to the power 0 equals to 1. This is the one. Second example, 2 to the power 1 equals to 2. When we have to write in the form of log, what we write? Log 2. Log 2 base to the 2. Base is the same, equals to 1. Second example, 2 to the power 2 equals to 4. When we have to write in the form of log, what we write? Log 4 base to the 2 equals to 2. In the same way, the third example, 2 to the power 3 equals to 8. In the form of log, what we write? Base is the same, log 8 base to the 2 equals to 3. Third example, third and last, fourth example, 2 to the power 4 equals to 60. When we write here in the form of log, what we write? Log 16 base to the 2 equals to 4. What is the basic relation between log and exponent? They are putting power x to the power 2. What it means? When base is 2, power is 2. That we have to multiply its base 2 times. Then we get 4. In the same way, 2 to the power 3, it means we multiply base 2 3 times, we get 8. Inversely, when we write log 4 base to the 2 equals to 2, here real 2 tells us when we multiply its base 2 times, then we get 4. I only want to say that log is inverse of exponent. As we observe here, we take and observe base is the same, 2 to the power x equals to y. This is x, value of x, and this is value of y. Plotting the graph, taking 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 on x-axis, 1, 2, 4, 8, 16 on y-axis. Can we observe? That is exponential graph. Can be putting 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. These are the points of y-axis and the point of x-axis. That is 1, 2, 4, 8, and 16. We get a graph. This is the upward, this is along y-axis. In the same way, taking 1, 2, 4, 8, 16 on x-axis, and as you observe here, x and y, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 on y-axis, 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4 on y-axis. Again, we get a graph. This is along to x-axis. This graph suggests logarithm is just inverse of exponent. Or finally, we can say that Logarithm is the inverse function of exponent. Now I am going to define logarithm. We define logarithm by the help of exponent. As you observe here, if a to the power x equals to y, a greater than 0, a not equals to 1, then log y base to the a equals to x. And we need as logarithm of y raised to the a equals to x equals to x. Here I am going to discuss 3 points. Very first, what is logarithm? That we discuss here. What is logarithm? Logarithm, very simple word. Logarithm is the inverse function of exponent. As you observe here, a to the power x equals to y, a greater than 0 and a not equals to 1, then log y base to the a equals to x. Logarithm says us that is log of y and base is a. So it gives us information how many times we multiply its base, multiply a to get x. This is the value of log. We take so many examples. Some other examples you can write here. Log 10 raised to the 10 equals to 1. Log 100 raised to the 10 equals to 2. We also convert from log to in form of exponent. Like here, the base is 2, its value is 1. So what we write? 10 to the power 1 equals to 10. And the second one, the base is 10, its value is 2. Log tells us how many times its base is multiplied. We get 100. We multiply 10 2 times. We get 100. Now, our second point here, why we study log. Why we study log? But before discussing this point, I am going to discuss how many types of log. Very first, natural log or natural logarithm. Natural logarithm, as we observe here, a to the power x equals to y. When a equals to e is the first letter of unit number. Units number and we know that equals to 2.71282. We take when we take e in place of a, that is log x equals to 1. When we search scientific calculator, where you find in iron I for I know L for logarithm, N for natural number. So we only write here nx. It means here base is e. You take examples like here, that is e square equals to 3.7.389. So in form of log, what we write? Log 7.389 equals to 2. Or when we put the value of e, what we write here? That is 2.7128 whole to the power 2 equals to 7.389. Generally we use natural log in the case of theoretical portion. When we use different theory principle, we have to explain, we use natural log. But sometimes we also use base as said to be common log, common logarithm. When a equals to 10, that is base equals to 10. Like as we know that x equals to y, or we write 10 to the power x equals to y. Give so many examples. 10 to the power 0 equals to 1. So what we write? Log 1 raised to the 10 equals to 0. Or simply we can write here log 1 equals to 0. Log 10 equals to 1. What it means here? That base is 10 to the power 1 equals to 10. We take so many other examples, very common, very popular. Log 100 equals to 2. Log 1000 equals to 3, and so on. When we observe scientific calculation, insert log, this represents common log, and common log is very useful for engineers, and it is also very useful to calculation in every part of mathematics. We also use some identities or some formulas here. Formula: very first, log x into y raised to the a equals to log x raised to the a plus log y raised to the. This is a very important rule here. Multiplication is written in the form of addition. Addition is more easier than multiplication. In the same way, log x by y raised to the a equals to log x raised to the a minus log y raised to the a. It means division is written as difference. So on log x to the power m raised to the a is written as m log a. Similarly, we can write mth root of x raised to the a equals to 1 by m log x raised to the a, and so on. That's all.